Extreme Solar Hot Water Cylinders. For total reliability you can count on. The first solar adaptable, non-corrosive and non-metallic extreme geyser was produced in July 2003, a geyser which is still operational today, just like 99% of all extreme geysers manufactured since. The most important part of the hot water cylinder is the inner tank. It must perform under pressure at high temperatures and survive an extremely aggressive chemical environment. We use epoxy vinyl ester resin and glass in the construction of our inner tanks, thereby eliminating known causes of inner tank failures associated with traditional metal tanks. Non-ferrous materials like those used by us cannot corrode, which is a major reason for tank failure. Nor can any galvanic reactions where dissimilar materials are interconnected occur. Our tanks are totally corrosion-free. No metal is used in the construction thereof. Based in Paarl, Extreme's management team has more than 70 combined service years, indicating a wealth of experience and technical know-how. Extreme subscribes to standards of excellence, which has seen it retain a significant amount of satisfied customers. We manufacture in accordance with ISO standards and SAP-S specifications. Extreme are members of IOPSA and CESA and support the Plumbing Industry Registration Board. Common problems associated with metal hot water cylinders include corrosion, a destructive attack of metal by chemical or electrochemical reaction with its environment. Inner lining. Metal tanks are normally lined with anti-corrosive material to protect the inner surface from corrosion. A sacrificial anode is installed that protects potentially bare areas exposed to hot water. If this anode is not replaced regularly, the tank will start to corrode. Galvanic reaction occurs when two metals having different composition are electrically coupled in the presence of an electrolyte. And metal fatigue. When water is heated, expansion occurs inside the geyser. The pressure drops when water is used. Incoming cold water causes contraction of the tank. Repeated over time, it breaks due to metal fatigue. We offer many options from domestic to industrial use. We will also specially design systems to the requirements of your project. The Extreme Mainstream range is a high-pressure electrical geyser with solar ports. There are no retrofit valves required and solar flow is separated from normal geyser operation. All Extreme tanks can be manufactured in any color in order to blend in with the environment and can be installed either in or outside. Our Mainstream range are closed vent tanks with a pressure rating of 400 kPa. In order to prevent the hot and cold water mixing inside the tank, a diffuser is installed, keeping the incoming cold water at the bottom of the tank, where the electric element is positioned in order to reheat the incoming cold water. The tank is basically a storage tank of thermal energy. Once heated, the tank's purpose is to keep the water hot for later usage. The Mainstream range has a standard GRP eye bracket to support roof mount installations. All the fittings are positioned on one side of the tank for ease of connections and less pipework. Various heating sources can be used with the Extreme tank. These include electricity, solar panels, evacuated tubes, PV panels or heat pumps. The tank is factory fitted with the necessary in and outlet ports to accommodate these connections at any future time. Extreme Mainstream systems can be installed externally or internally. When installing externally, Extreme's non-ferrous mounting brackets should be used. For ease of installation, our new mounting brackets can be installed on any type of roof. The bracket's strap can easily be slipped under roof tiles and be properly secured onto roof beams, or directly to a non-tiled roof. Once the brackets are secured on a roof, the Extreme geyser can simply be placed securely on top of the brackets, ensuring it fits into the angle at front-centered position. Once placed, you can then rivet the bracket to the outer skin of the geyser for even more security. Our new wall mounting brackets can be easily installed on any stable wall. These owl-shaped brackets can be easily attached to walls. The brackets already have holes pre-drilled for minimal measuring. Once on the wall, the Extreme geyser can simply be placed on top of the brackets. For bulk water storage, the Extreme Bulk Stream range is available in 650 litre and 2000 litre tanks. These units are ideally suited to industrial applications or where larger volumes of hot water would be required. It is aesthetically pleasing, available in any colour of choice, standard colour being grey. It is an open-to-vent, zero-pressure system. We can manufacture these units as a tank only, or can factory fit it to specification, be it for heating elements, heat exchangers, or various draw-off points. Alternatively, see our website for various options available with heat exchanger, heat pump, and/or electrical ports fitted. Another option for bigger volume requirements is an interconnected stack system that can be tailored to your needs. This example is of an 8-tank stack system connected to a heat pump. Designed with durability, simplicity, and aesthetics in mind, this trapdoor can be fitted in existing ceilings without too much of a hassle. It accepts bigger size geysers and can be cleaned without even breaking a sweat. The kit consists of one frame, one lid, 12 aluminium plates, 12 stainless steel screws, and 12 washers. All that is needed to install is a drill and screwdriver. Installing the Extreme trapdoor is a one-man job with the aluminium plates keeping the trapdoor in place. This means less effort and time is needed to install. Need a custom size for your project? Contact us today. Installing an Extreme trapdoor couldn't be any easier. In only 6 steps, your trapdoor will be ready to use. These trapdoors are easy to clean and can be painted. For more information or to discuss your future projects, contact our factory. All supporting documents such as installation and warranty documents are available for download on the technical support page of our website.